Hey, what's up, family? It's good to be here with you. I'm here with yours truly, Mike Lemon from It Is Written Canada, and we're just going to have a candid conversation with you this morning. And so I'm excited to be here with you. And how about yourself?
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a great day. Snowy outside.
It's not too cold.
Not too cold. No, we're here in Ontario. Yeah.
So we are excited to host you at Sherwood Park.
Thank you.
At the end of April here.
Looking forward to it. Yes.
Yeah, this is
April
exciting.
28 and 29.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you tell us a little bit of how that weekend's gonna look like?
Okay.
If I'm a first-time visitor, or maybe I'm one of the youth, young adults coming into this program, what is the prescription of love? What does that even mean?
So prescription is something that a doctor would give you, right?
Right.
And so, but I'm talking about a doctor who knows you, right? So I'm a doctor who's been through it, maybe. They put it that way. If you're in marriage, in relationships, and you've had things go wrong, I've certainly had many things go wrong, and the couple that were with Marlon and Doreen, their marriage fell apart, right? So it's a real, we get kind of nitty gritty, real deep into relationships, what makes them not work and what makes them work. What gets in the way, the real practical side of, and showing you the tools that we can all acquire. If you, like I had bad tools because my parents got a divorce when I was young, and it was just it was a very, very dysfunctional situation. And now getting those tools when you get them and then you use them, and how to use them and how, to sharpen those tools so that you just have a better relationship, better relationships all around. It doesn't matter. This isn't just for marriage. This is for all relationships, whatever relationship you're in. If you learn these principles, in fact, people who are like company executives, they've taken these tools, put them into practice, and they have better relationships with their employees, right? And so this just works on all levels. High school students, put them into practice, and they have better friendships, which we all want, right? We want friendships. This is what it's all about. Life is about relationships. Everything else is just details. So having those relationships and meaningful relationships, that's what it's all about. And it's fun too. It's a lot of fun. We do some games to make it fun, so that it's not just serious. There are sometimes there are going to be some tears, probably. We definitely. I don't mind crying, and my wife doesn't mind crying, and I know Doreen and Marlon don't. But we just have those moments that are very real, but we also have a lot of fun and a lot of laughter. So, and we're going to have some games.
This sounds amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Where do I sign up? No, we are definitely excited to have you at Sherwood Park.
Looking forward.
I know our youth, our young adults, our community is looking forward to being there for the prescription of love.
Yeah.
And so I want to extend this personal invite to all of you to join us at Sherwood Park. It's going to be a powerful weekend, lots of games, powerful and meaningful conversations, and things to help us with our relationships. And so I just want to remind you that you are loved, that you are appreciated, and you have been prayed for. And so have an awesome day, and we look forward to seeing you very shortly for the prescription of love.